Here's how you can use Project Wellness's reproductive system Play-Doh mats to teach students about the menstrual cycle and how periods work. First, students will use the Play-Doh to build their models of the reproductive system. You can see here's a little place to make an egg, and we have the uterine lining. And then on the other side, we have a few sperm and another piece of the uterine lining. Once students are done with their models, we're going to use them to go through the stages of the menstrual cycle, starting with the follicular phase. To represent what happens in this phase, students are going to move the egg to the ovary to show how it is maturing in the ovary. They're also going to move those uterine lining pieces to the sides of the uterus to show how the uterine lining builds up during this phase of the menstrual cycle as the body prepares to potentially support a pregnancy. Next up is the ovulation phase. This is when the egg is released from the ovary and travels through the fallopian tube searching for a sperm. After ovulation, we have the luteal phase, and this is where the body continues to prepare to support a pregnancy. Now, at the end of this phase, if there is no pregnancy, we will go to the period phase. A period is when the uterine lining begins to shed and is released through the vagina as blood and tissue, and then see that the egg is also released through the body in this process. So that is how you can use our Play-Doh mats to explain periods.